Hi guys, welcome to Bulk Zone. In today's video, we will discuss about the fast radio signals that have been detected from a distant galaxy. But mysteriously, these signals are in a repeating pattern. So, before getting into the video, take 3 seconds and click on the subscribe button. Now, let's go back into the video. More unexpected signals are coming from outer space. Scientists report in a new study. For only the second time ever, scientists have detected a radio signal from a distant galaxy that repeats at regular intervals. The series of fast radio bursts or fast radio signals, short-lived pulses of radio waves that come from across the universe, were detected for 90 days, then stopped for a period of 67 days. The same start and stop pattern then repeated every 157 days. The University of Manchester in the UK, who led the new research, said in a statement that this is an exciting result as it is only the second system where we believe we can see this modulation in burst activity. Detecting a periodicity provides an important constraint on the origin of the burst. This discovery provides an important clue to identifying the origin of this burst, which came from a dwarf galaxy that's some 3 billion light years ago away from the Earth. The presence of regular sequence in the burst activity would imply that the powerful bursts are linked to the orbital motion of the massive star, a neutron star or a black hole, according to the University of Manchester. First discovered in 2007, fast radio bursts last no more than a few milliseconds, which make it difficult to accurately determine where they came from. One of the galaxy's greatest mysteries is astronomy right now. It is the origin of the short, dramatic bursts of radio light seen across the universe. The Max Planck Institute of Radio Astronomy said in a statement this year. Although they last for only a thousands of a millisecond, there are now hundreds of records of this agentic source, the institute said. Many have raised that is the signal sent by the aliens, but almost certainly not, said by the Manchester Institute of Technology in a recent statement. The signals are a sign of energetic events that are on the extreme scale of the cosmos. Even a highly intelligent species would be very unlikely to produce energies like this, and there is no detectable pattern so far that would suggest that there is a sentient hand at play. Speaking about the new research study, co-author Duncan Lonier of the West Virginia University said that this exciting discovery highlights how little we know about the origin of fast radio bursts. The study was published Sunday in the peer-reviewed journal Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. And further observations of a large number of FRBs will be needed in order to obtain a clearer picture about these periodic sources and their origin. The signals have mystified scientists ever since in the first FRB was found in 2007. Some have wondered if FRBs could be a message from aliens, and without more research, there's no way to know. Hundreds have been spotted, but only a handful have ever repeated themselves, and they appear to come from locations all over the universe. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.